Hi, how are you? I'm pretty good. Sorry about the late. Yeah, microwave. Yeah, thank you. Okay. Okay. So what's the problem?
I really don't even.
What, no.
I don't. It's my cousin.
Oh.
It needs a fuse or something. I haven't seen.
All right. Where's the cord? It's inside here, right? Yeah. Okay. Микроволновка. Okay. Так, проблема мой намяй. Намяй. Зан богомша. Розимеша нарх. Я борбумону. Опа, заработал. Ты можешь розить. Кормеша. Солнышко, да? Шанс богомша на мену. Can you call him?
Yeah, he's on the way right now.
Oh, okay.
He's like 5 minutes away.
All right. آخر شدم گفته که کار کردک میتیم چطور با پرت افتاد یک تا دیگه دور سویچش тоже ویران بوده گرام عالیش کردم کس فیوزایی که در چیز بود دوبل седьмой мы включаем. No, he's burned again.
Working?
He's burned again.
Burn it again?
Yeah.
What, the fuses?
Yeah, every fuses and the switches, it's burning, so it means just only the two parts we have to replace. It's a magnetron and the capacitor, what's going inside of here.
Right.
And we have to take all of this from here, and it's gonna be cost like just a little more money. More money, I mean, like a $450.
$400?
Yeah.
How much is the microwave?
Just like that. It's a 400. I mean, this kind of, I think like a 500. This kind. Sorry. All right, sir. Bye-bye. Huh? Oh, thank you, sir.
You're welcome. I
didn't do anything.
Well, you tried.
I'm really trying.
Okay, all right. Well, thank you very much for
Yeah,
trying.
my pleasure.
Okay, have a good day.
You too. Так, Харико, сумям званоки ки додаги будем $85, моя $85 ма гирифтам. Иджа хози я компания даки ма кор каде сам допустим $85 як заказа мехарам. То есть агар ки дальше клиентки соскат мондаги сумаш ҳамаш айма мешава. Ида я звонок ма $85 расход кардам. Агар ки не, значит чия бо ҳам сума кор мекунам, ягон суми барои сервис кол намегирам. Нам хали гап чап да.